Hi, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to give you a more in-depth video on how to empty a Thetford Toilet Cassette. When your cassette needs emptying, this little light here will shine red. Before you head out to your cassette, please ensure that your toilet is closed. You can see this being demonstrated here by simply moving the grey lever to the closed position. If unsure, simply lift up the lid and just check that that tray is across. To access your cassette, simply press in these two buttons and lift the panel up. Some may stay as they are magnetic in some vehicles. Once you have done this step, simply pull the lever up and slowly slide your toilet cassette out. This cassette has SOG ventilation, so to remove this, you simply pull the pipe out of your cassette. You will then find attached to your cassette a small plug, and this just goes in the hole that's been created. This step is only needed when SOG ventilation is fitted to your cassette. Many of your vehicles may not have this, so if they don't, then you just simply continue to pull your cassette out of your motorhome. Don't forget about the wheels on your toilet cassette to help you get to your chemical waste disposal point. Once at the chemical disposal point, simply remove the plug and the lid from your cassette. You may not have a plug, you may just have a lid. You then angle the orange tube down so it is pointing down towards the chemical disposal point. Then you simply lift up your cassette, finding the air valve at the top of the cassette, which is a small orange circle. Press that in, your cassette will begin to empty, as you can see here. Please note that in this demonstration we have used water. You will now want to clean and refill your cassette. You will have a blue solution that comes with your cassette. On the back of this will be a set of instructions on how to clean and refill the cassette. You may also find you have a pink solution that comes with your motorhome. If you're wondering what that's for, it's to spray into your toilet when flushing from the inside. Once you have refilled your cassette, simply screw your lid back on, put the tube back in the correct position and pop the plug in the end of the tube. Not forgetting that the plug is only for vehicles with SOG ventilation. If at any time you want to check that your toilet cassette has been emptied properly, simply remove the plate, slide the orange disc, and you can see that you can see into your toilet cassette. And to get this back to normal, you simply reverse the process and ensure that the arrows are meeting in the middle. Once you've prepped your cassette to go back in, you simply lift your cassette up to your motorhome and slide it in. If you have SOG ventilation, ensure that this has been reconnected and then simply push your cassette back in until it clicks. And once that's done, you're good to go and continue using your motorhome toilet.